Hello there, welcome to book cover tutorial. We're going to learn how to create a ebook cover or hard copy ebook cover, but then just a design for the cover page. Yeah, so do well to enjoy this video and see you in the course. Alright guys, so we're going to create a book cover. Let's see a writer, and you need a book cover with a markup ebook and the like. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so this is our previous design. Let me go home to canva.com. Alright, so as you all know, network, you need very excellent network for it. So what I will do now is this is book cover. I'll come here to more and then look for book cover. Yeah, this book cover. So I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, I click on book cover. And then it's going to show me some templates, but I want to build it from scratch. So what I'm going to do now is I quickly come here. Okay, let me see the title of my book is what title? Beyond Love. I see it for many templates anyway. So I click here, create blank. Now by creating blank, just so you know, it will give you the size of a book. That is recommended size for books, ebooks and the likes. So you're just going to make it look like that. So you can see it's a ebook cover, so it will give you the size of an ebook. So I can check on any template, but I want a blank one. So I click out. And okay, so now I want to get some images. Like I said, the title of my book is Beyond Love. So what I will do is I'll come here and let me go and download some images. Download an image. Okay, to save our time, I already downloaded some images, so let me just go straight to the point. So I upload the image. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, so I want to upload my images now. Come to my device and use files. So I have these two images. 1, 2. Let me upload them. I want to make use of them. Okay, so I'll use this sky as my background and this love, I'm going to make use of it. Alright, so let's proceed. So I'm just going to fit this. I want to replace background. I can click on this and set image as background, so automatically make it as background. So I can crop this image. I can select the direction. Okay. Alright, so I want to import my other image. Okay, this one I need to remove the background of this image. So I'll come here to remove.bg. Remove.bg to remove the background. When I'm done removing the background, I'll come back to the video. Alright, so my image is set. So this is the image. Alright, I just need one of this love. I want to make some nice design. Okay, let me just do this one here first. Okay, so I get my text Beyond Love. So I'm gonna put in here images of the love first. Love, and then I can duplicate this and type beyond. Alright, so what kind of font can I use? Hmm, what kind of font type can I use now? I'll pick any kind of font I want to use. This font looks nice. Let me use this. Alright, so it's loading. Okay, it's done loading. So then I can increase the font size. Let me give it 166. Okay, beautiful. And now, what kind of font can I use for my love? For my love, um, what kind of font? What kind of font? What kind of font? Let me search for a font. Let me look for breathing. Okay, I actually like this font. I used it recently. That's why I'm able to get it. To know the font type. Okay, it's done. So I can increase the font to like a whole lot. So I increase the font size. Increase the font size to like 258 or 260. Okay, this is nice. Beyond love. Let me bring my beyond down a little bit. Centered. And this one. I think I can even increase the font a little bit. Okay, so while this is here, now I just need one of this love. And the love shape here, so I can crop it. I come here to crop. Let me use this one. And I move it here. So as you can see here now, you're having this kind of issue. So I can come here to position and move it to the front. As you can see that that's come to the front. So I move it up, can increase the size a bit. Undo. Alright, let me nudge this guy. So I move here, move here, move here. Alright, I think our love is coming up. Alright, Beyond Love. Hope you like my book. You're going to read my book. I think I'm going to write this book anyway. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is, who wrote the book? Alright, so I'm just going to put my name. I can put written by Emma or written by, or just leave it my name, just put my name there. So I'm going to put this now. I'm going to put subtitle written by. Alright, so I'm going to repeat the font. I'm going to repeat the font type. I'm going to use I'm looking for Cormorant. Alright, so this is it. Written by this. Let me see if my font size is okay. Let me reduce it a bit. It's too small. It's too big rather. Let me just make it 36. Written by centered. Let me duplicate this so that I can easily write my name. Agamini Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Good. Emma, you're an author. Yes, you are. Alright, so after this, I'm going to increase the font of this one. I'm going to change the font to, let me use this one, or heavy. Okay, let me increase the size a bit. Let me make it 46. Also, I hope you like my book. Now for us to go to a mock-up, I want to make it a mock-up. To make this book a mock-up, let's mock up this book. Okay, so I come to image. First of all, I need to download it to make it a mock-up. I need to make an image a mock-up, not the entire stuff. So I'm waiting for it. The network is bad. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to download the image now, and when it's done, I'll get back to you guys. You see that Canva is giving me high five for creating 5 designs. Okay, so our image is downloaded. Is it downloaded? Let me see. 1 minute left. Wait a bit. Alright, so download is ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to slide in here. I need a new page, and then I'm going to import. Let me remove this. Okay, yeah, this is my Canvas stuff. Anyway, let me save this first. Canva 5 milestone badge. Let me just save it first. So comment please. Alright, so I can close it now. Alright, so I'm going to add image. So I'll upload here. So what I want to do is I want to upload the book cover that I just designed. So I'm waiting for it. Okay, so this is it. It's going to take some while to upload. As you can see, it's uploading. This is the progress bar here. So I'm waiting for it. Alright, so what I can do now is I can either resize it here, fit it here, then I'll come to effects. I think the image is still loading, that's why effect is not working. Okay, the effect is here now. So I want to make this my mock-up. I want to make a mock-up, a book mock-up for it. So you can see here we have smart mock-up. We have smart mock-up here. So come to smart mock-up and wait for it. We have a lot of mock-up templates to use. This is an ebook. You can use it for a mobile device, a laptop. So whichever one you want to use, I can try to use this one. So to load for me, I can also click on these settings here and to tell you what to fill it with. You want to fit it or fill. Can you see that? Or custom. Now you really want to resize it the way you want to resize it. You see that? Well, I recommend you just make it fill so that it will fit in perfectly. So can we see our design now? Can we see our design? Good. So I can equally say this to replace. Okay, no, that's not a good idea. So anyway, we have our mockup. Sorry. Okay, so we have our mockup here. I want to show you another way of getting this mockup done. I come here to home. Keep changes. Still go home. Okay, this is first. So let's just get changes first. So another way of doing this is to create something a fresh design. I just clicking on this plus icon and then I put it ebook mockup. Come here to ebook mobile. No, no, no. Let me customize the size. Let me just put it 1080 by 1080 and create a design. That will give me a perfect square. So now I can come to my outputs here and repeat the same steps. I'll come here and I click on my design. Click on my image and wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. You need to have a very good network to pilot this. Okay, so while I'm waiting, alright, it's here. So I come here to effects, click on the image, come here to effects, repeat the same thing. Go to mockup, smart mockups, and let's choose something else. Yes, this book is nice. Network. I'm having issues with the network here. So anyway, you get the point. So when you're done, you can download the image and you are good to go. So guys, see you in the next tutorial.